Okay, now I'm going to give a very brief description of permutation and combination. Now let's start off with permutation. What is permutation? Assuming there are 5 different persons, we are going to select all 5 of them, that means actually it's all of them, and arrange them in a row. In how many ways can we arrange them? Now let's look at it. 5 of them, actually there are 5 space, 5 positions where you can put them in a row. Now to fill the first position on the left, how many choice do you have? You actually have 5 persons. You can pick 1 out of 5. So basically, you have 5 choices. Now, after that, you're going to fill the second space, second position on the left. By now, you have left only 4 different persons, since one of them has been put in the first position on the left. Okay, so there are 4 choices. With the same argument, that's how you get 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the number of permutation or the way that you can arrange them can be written as 5. This some sort like a exclamation mark. It's called 5 factorial. It's also written as 5p5. 5, the top number is represent the total number of available person. The number at the bottom is the number of people you're going to select from the total number of people at the top. So in this case, you're going to select all of them. That means 5p5. Now, point number 2, let's say there are total 8 different persons. Then the number arrangement will be 8 factorial or 8p8. Now, point number 3, there are total 5 different persons. In how many ways can you select only 3 of them? 3 of them, and you're going to arrange them in a row. Now, so with the same argument, the first position on the left will be 5 choices, then followed by 4 and 3. Okay? Since you only want to select 3 of them and then arrange them in a row, so you stop at the 3rd position. Okay? Now, if for this case, we can write as 5. 5 means there are total 5 different persons that you can select from. The number at the bottom represents the number of people that you will select to arrange them. So in this case, 3. So this is how you have 5p3. Okay. Similarly, for combination, okay, let's go through it. Assuming there are 5 different students, we are going to select all of them to represent the school team. Now, what's the difference between permutation and combination? They come from here. Combination means you select them, and that's it. That form the team. You do not need to arrange them. Okay? So that is combination. You select, that's it. You select these 3. Let's say you select these 3 persons. These 3 persons, whether, let's say we call these 3 students as A, B, C. Now, if you select A first, B second, C third, okay, that form one way. What about if you select B first, A second, C third? Is it a different way? No, it's the same, because the team consists of the number of people. You have A, B, C in that order of selection, or B, C, A in the order of selection, or ACB in the order of selection, but finally the team still consists of the same person. Okay, the three same person. So all this is considered as one way, okay, or one combination. Okay, therefore, for combination, sin ABC, ACB, BAC, all these are considered the same way. That's only considered one way. Therefore, the number of combination will be less. Okay. Now, so how do you write a combination? Basically, there are total 5 person, and you're going to select 5 of them. Okay. So the number of people you're going to select is 5. So it's 5C5. If, for example, if you're going to select 3 of them only, then it will be written as 5C3. Okay? So this is a very basic explanation of permutation and combination. This is very important for a permutation and combination question, because when you read the question, the first thing after reading the question is to determine whether is it a permutation or a combination question. Okay? Then only you start doing. So it's very important you recognize it as permutation question or combination question. Okay? Now, sometimes a question can be combination and permutation. You could start it off as a combination question, and then later with additional condition given, then it become a permutation question. Okay? Now, let's look at one example. Let's talk about selecting out of the 5 students. We are going to okay. Now, let's say let's say look at this question. After select the 3 of them, we're going to assign them to, let's say, the captain, the assistant captain, and the goalkeeper. Okay. Now, for example, captain, assistant captain, goal goalpost keeper. Now, let's say you're going to select ABC. You selected ABC. If it's a combination question, if you select 3 of them, ABC or ACA, ACB, sorry, then you got a BCA. All this for a combination question is only considered one way. Okay? You select them, then 3 of them represent the school team, that's it. So all these, A is, the first position is the person you're going to select at the first selection. This one is the person you're going to select in the second selection. Okay? So no doubt the order is not the same, but you still get a final same person, which is ABC. So all this is considered one way for combination. Okay? Now, but then if you add another condition whereby after you select them, you're going to put them who is the captain, assistant captain, and the goalpost keeper. Now, for example, if you put A, B, you selected 3 of them, and then you're going to assign them their position in the team. So you put A as captain, B as assistant captain, C as the goalpost keeper. Then versus, let's say you put B here, you put A here, you put C here, or you can put A here, C here, B here. You can continue to do more of that. Okay, there are actually six ways you can arrange. Now you can see here each of if D is the additional condition, then you can see that even though you select the same people, but because you assign them to a different position, so this become actually a permutation question. Okay, if you don't have this condition in the selection, then it's a combination question. But if you select them and you're going to assign them, okay, then the whole question become a permutation question. It's just like you're going to select 5 of them. After that, you're going to arrange them. Okay, so it become a permutation question for this case. So you can see the difference between permutation and combination. You also can, teacher have explained how a combination question with additional condition, you can make it to become a permutation question. Okay, so that's it.